Hey there, fellow online marketers and work-from-home enthusiasts. You know the struggle of creating content for your niche, don't you? Whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or product descriptions, it takes time, effort, and creativity to come up with something that resonates with your target audience. But what if I told you that there's a way to generate content in any niche with just a few clicks? Yes, you heard me right. It's called GPTDash, and it's the ultimate AI-powered content creation tool that you didn't even know you needed. Now, you might be wondering what GPTDash is and how it works. Well, let me explain. GPTDash is a web-based dashboard that interfaces with AI engines behind the scenes. By using your own OpenAI account, which can be opened for free, GPTDash can generate content for any niche, simply by filling in a few blanks and clicking a button. And if you've ever used ChatGPT, then you already have an account. But what sets GPTDash apart from other content creation tools? First of all, it uses GPT-3, which is the latest and most powerful AI language model out there. GPT-3 can understand natural language commands and generate human-like responses, making it an ideal tool for content creation. Secondly, GPTDash is incredibly easy to use. You don't need any technical skills or coding knowledge to generate content. All you need is a few keywords or prompts related to your niche, and GPTDash will do the rest. Let me show you how it works. Assume you're in the fitness niche, and you want to create a blog post about 10 exercises to lose belly fat. You simply log in to GPTDash, select the blog post option, enter your keyword, belly fat, and click Generate. GPTDash will then analyze your prompt and generate a unique and high-quality blog post for you. You can further customize the post by editing it or adding your own ideas. But that's not all. GPTDash can also create social media updates, product descriptions, email subject lines, and more. It's like having a virtual content team at your fingertips. And the best part? You don't have to pay for expensive freelancers or waste hours brainstorming ideas. GPTDash saves you time, effort, and money, all while delivering top-notch content that engages your audience. Click on the link in the description to see this amazing tool in action. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel.